So in the given circuit diagram, a wire is joining point B and C. Find the current in this wire. So we have to find the current between B and C. So since the resistance 1 ohms and 4 ohms are in parallel, then we can say that R dash equals 4 into 1 upon 4 plus 1 equals 4 by 5. Similarly, we can find equivalent resistance of R dash dash. So for resistance, which is for resistances 2 ohms and 3 ohms. So R dash dash is will be 6 upon 5. So R dash and R dash dash are in series, as you can see, 1 ohm and 4 ohm and 2 ohm and 3 ohm. So we can just add them up, and that will be 4 upon 5 plus 6 upon 5 equals 2 ohms. Okay, so the let me erase the board. So the total current flowing through I can be given as V upon R efficient equals to 20 upon 2 equals 10 amperes. So current will distribute in the ratio opposite to resistance. So the uh, distribution will be something like 3I upon 5, 4I upon 5, I by 5, 2I upon 5. So the current will be in the branch like I equals 4I upon 5 minus 3I upon 5 equals I upon 5 equals 10 upon 5, as we have got the value of current, which is 2 amperes. So as you can see, that is our answer, which is our answer B.